Hello, I'm Alejandro Parra, this is Ricardo Hernandez and Rodrigo Valdez from Group 63, and we will present the theme of pH and cavities.
pH. pH is defined as the concentration of hydrogen ions. Usually, an aqueous solution is measured at 25 degrees Celsius, and water by itself has a pH of 7. The range in which pH is measured ranges from 1 to 14, which is considered the most acid part, 7, which is neither the acidic or alkaline part and is called neutral, and 14, which is considered the most alkaline part. Acidic substances are considered to be sour. A great example is lemon juice, and alkaline substances are said to be bitter, like baking soda. pH and cavities. pH is very important to be in balance and level when it comes to teeth, because if the acidic pH goes very low, they can demineralize the teeth. The limit pH of the teeth to start being affected is 5.5. Any lower than this may affect the teeth and decay it. Cavities are holes in the outer and inner parts of the teeth that is caused by acidic substances, especially food that stays in your teeth. Bread, milk, fruit, or candy are examples of fruits that turn into acids and there starts decaying the teeth. This is because of the sugar that is contained in the food as well as acidity. When the pH is higher than 7, it becomes alkaline, which fights back the acidity, helping the regeneration of teeth by itself in a very slow pace. Worldwide, 60 to 90% of school children and nearly 100% of adults have dental cavities.
The pH importance on cavities takes a very important role. As some of us may know, sugar is the main cause of cavities. But why? What causes cavities to grow is the acidic pH in our mouth, and sugar helps feeding the bad bacteria that produces acids. Also, eating acidic foods like lemon juice, vinegar, coffee, and orange juice can also affect the creation of cavities. The acidic substances demineralize the enamel. The enamel is the surface that covers the teeth. This way, it creates the cavities. In order to remove the cavities, we should use alkaline substances to help the regrowth of healthy bacteria. These healthy bacteria help on the production of alkaline substances that help fight back the acidic bacteria which demineralize the enamel. This way the pH become balanced and go higher than 5.5. Although sugar may be seen to be one of the most important factors in the creation of cavities, it is not as important as pH. An example of this is that you can consume lots and lots of sugars as well as being careless about your teeth and not get cavities as your mouth has a low alkaline or neutral pH. But if you have a low pH, it doesn't matter if you do not consume sugar and take very high care for your teeth, this can still produce cavities as it has an acidic pH.
Stages. The first stage starts with the tartar that begins to form in the teeth because of the accumulation of food and acidic pH. Also, the first thing that starts to decay is the enamel, starting the first part of the cavity. This process takes time and is not painful. The dentin will then start to decay, and this is much faster because this surface is much softer and easier to demineralize. After all outer layers are damaged and gone, the cavities expand to the pulp, which is the inner layer that contains the blood vessels and nerves. This will end the connection between the teeth and the body so it will come up.